Welcome to today's news. J&K Bank Apprentice Recruitment 2025. Apply for 278 posts. J&K Bank has invited application for apprentice post. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website of J&K Bank at jkbank.com. This recruitment is for fill up 278 vacancies in bank. The registration process started on December 24, 2024. The last day to apply is January 7, 2025. Candidates should have graduation degree from a recognized university or equivalent. The candidates should be proficient in local language of respective region area. Preference shall be given to domiciles of the respective region or area. The age limit should be between 20 to 28 years old. Selection process, application fee, eligibility criteria, age limit and more related details. Candidates can visit the official website of J&K Bank.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.